Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to make conditional formatting in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I am going to show you how to make conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, let's go to Format and Conditional Formatting. Okay. Single color, format cells, default, okay. So if it's empty, it will be colored. Let's cancel it. Add a new ruler. Let's change the apply to range to P1 to P. If you make it just P, it will be unlimited down. It will be not stopped. Okay. Let's select the rule equal to. Okay. So if it's equal to something like milk, it will be automatically colored to this color, red. Okay, let's make the font more bigger. It's done. Add another rule equal to. Okay, word egg. Now color something like yellow. Let's change it. Orange. And done. Add another rule and another and another. That's easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to make conditional formatting in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.